channel. It's Ashley
and Hunter, and
and today we're going to be doing the What's in the Bag challenge. So what's in the bag challenge is where you stick your hands into the bags and you guess what the other player has put into the bags. Whoever guesses what the objects or foods or even mugs, which we disqualified the mugs because he told me what he was doing. And also, whoever guesses it first gets a point. And make sure you like our video
and subscribe to our channel.
And leave a comment down below what you want us to do for our next video. And also, leave your YouTube name down below. Or if you don't even have YouTube, just comment your name. And we're going to be doing 10 shout-outs. So yeah, let's get started with the video. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot for who goes first. 3 out of 3. 1, 2, oh. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
So you win that one?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One more time. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I get it! Wait, no!
2 out of 2.
Alright, guys. So, my brother's gonna hand me a bag. I'm scared. Oh, God. He's going to sit right here.
Ready?
Okay, yeah. And I have to close my eyes. I'm scared. Where is it? Oh, y'all gotta see this, yeah. Where's the opening? Oh. It's cold! Oh my God! What is that? Dude, what is that?
What was that?
I can't. See if I can. It feels like a bottle. That's A1 sauce, isn't it?
Yep.
Ah! It was A1 steak sauce. Alright. I got scared on that one. No, bag number 1, done. Sit down in the chair, now it's time to get my revenge. Please talk to them.
Okay, guys, so my sister's about to hand me a bag. Here's.
We're gonna do this bag. This is the one that has 2 in it. Close your eyes. Ready, good, set. Here. Oh, let me open the bag, please.
That failed.
No peeking. Alright, now stick your hand in the bag.
It feels like
Oh,
one rubber duck and
wait, what?
Play-Doh.
Wait, what? One rubber duck and what? Oh my God, this is so hilarious. You can open your eyes now.
Nope, it's a
Look in the bag. You said one rubber duck. You said one rubber duck.
No, man, it ain't a rubber duck. It's a polar bear.
Guys, he said one rubber duck. It's a baby toy, by the way. Wait, what? That's not supposed to be in there. How did you get that? That was in that bag. Oh my God. Did I stick both of them in here?
Mm-hmm.
So yeah.